Greetings to all. Welcome back to Science Session. In the previous session, we discussed about types of microorganisms. Microorganisms are generally considered as enemies of humans because a number of them causes diseases in human beings. But a large number of them are very useful, particularly in agriculture, medicines, and some industries. In fact, their benefits are more than the harm they cause. Let us learn about useful microorganisms. Microorganisms are useful to us in many ways, like they are used in making of food items. First is curd. Curd contains bacterium Lactobacillus. When a small amount of curd is mixed into warm milk and kept aside for a few hours, the lactobacillus multiply in the milk and change into curd. Second is cheese and paneer are also made by the action of bacteria Lactobacillus and Streptococcus on milk. Third, bacteria acts upon tough meat and make it soft. This process is called tenderization of meat. Fourth is food items such as idli, dhokla and dosa are also made by the action of yeast. Yeast is added to the mixture of ground rice and dal is first allowed to stand for few hours, and this mixture rises and becomes sour due to the growth of yeast cells. Fifth, yeast cells are used in making of breads. For baking bread, yeast along with the little sugar and salt is mixed with flour to make dough. Yeast reproduce rapidly and produce carbon dioxide during respiration. Due to the production of carbon dioxide, the dough rises and its volume increases. When the bread is baked, carbon dioxide escapes, leaving behind pores that makes the bread porous and spongy. Sixth, some algae like chlorella and seaweeds are used as food. They are rich source of proteins and minerals. Commercial uses. First, yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol, wine. For this purpose, yeast is grown on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice and fruit juices. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by the action of microorganisms like yeast is called fermentation. Second, some bacteria are used in the production of tea, coffee and tobacco. Third, some bacteria take part in the production of certain acids like lactic acid, citric acid and acetic acid. Fourth, bacteria are useful for tanning of leather and jute industry. Fifth, bacteria also help in generating biogas. They act on waste products like animal waste, garbage, agricultural waste and produce biogas. Biogas is used as a fuel. Uses of microorganisms in cleaning the environment. Some organisms like bacteria and fungi decompose the organic matter present in dead plants and dead animals and their waste, convert them into simple products which mix up with the soil and are again used by new plants for their growth. Some bacteria decompose sewage and other wastes of water. This is a natural method to keep water clean. In this way, they help in keeping the environment clean. Uses of microorganisms in increasing soil fertility. Some of the microorganisms present in the soil can fix nitrogen gas from the atmosphere to form nitrogen compounds, and these nitrogen compounds mix with the soil and increase the fertility. Some bacteria like rhizobium and blue-green algae living in the soil also fix atmospheric nitrogen as nitrates. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixer. That's all for today. Thank you.